Hello dear students, greetings to all. This is the continuation of chapter 4, question answers. We were discussing the reference to context and we had discussed two question answers and we have the 3 and 4 and the third reference. Well, now we know you can run faster than a bear. And this is a sentence said by the author when the children shared their experience when they were crossing the forest. They were chased by a bear and they could run faster than the bear and they escaped. And during this situation the author said this sentence. And the first question, who could run faster than a bear? It is clear for us, and that is the children could run faster than a bear. Why did he have to do so? Why the children have to run faster than a bear? Because during winter season the days are shorter, so they have to cross the forest before 6 o'clock because it will be dark by 6. So the children used to cross the forest before that. And in the forest they faced a lot of difficulties. There can be animals and many unpleasant sounds, etc. And one day they were chased by a bear and they ran faster and escaped from the bear. So because they were chased by a bear, they ran faster than a bear. And the next question, where was he when this incident took place? What advice did he give the other? In this question, he is Ranbir. Ranbir and his friends were going back to their home after the school. On the way to home, they met Other, and when they were talking each other, the children shared their experience that they were chased by a bear, and this incident took place while they were going back to their home. And what advice did he give the Other? We get its answer from page number 40 in the last paragraph, and he was advising the Other to run downhill because the bear cannot run faster than us while we were running downhill. But if you are running uphill, the bear could run faster than us. So the advice given by Ranbir to Other is that we have to run downhill when we are chased by a bear. And the next question is, how did the boys ensure their safety? So they were crossing the forest and it was about 6 o'clock, and there are a lot of animals and there are many unpleasant sounds in the forest. And how did they ensure their safety? There can be 2 points for this answer. The first thing is that they crossed the forest before 6 o'clock because after 6 it will be dark. So that is one point. And secondly, they made a lot of noise. They were singing on the way while they were crossing the forest, and they played flute. So those things made the forest silent and made little courage in the children. So these are the 2 points that you have to elaborate and write. Let us go to the next question. Most children are more than equal to any obstacles that may rise. Its first question is, in what conditions do children in Rajasthan, Ladakh and Kashmir make their way to and from school? The children are facing a lot of difficulties in these places, not only in these places, many places, and its answer is available in page number 41 in the first paragraph itself. Here it is given not only in the hills but all over India. Children are constantly making their way to and from school in conditions that range from dust storms in Rajasthan. So the children of Rajasthan are facing dust storms. Likewise, the children of Ladakh and Kashmir are facing blizzards. Blizzards means snowstorms with very strong winds. So they are facing blizzards to reach to their school. What picture does the author have in his scrapbook? Describe how the children depicted in the picture overcome their obstacle. The author says that he has a picture in his scrapbook, and that is the picture of youngsters in the Ganjam district of Orissa, and they are swimming across the Danai river every day in order to reach their school. How do they swim? Holding books or satchels aloft in one hand. They do the breaststroke or dog paddle with the other, or they form a chain and help each other to cross the river. So what they do is that they keep their bag in one hand, or they hold their bag in one hand, and with the other one they make the breaststroke or dog paddle. That is a way of swimming. They swim across the river. or sometimes they form a chain and they help each other to cross the river. The author has the picture of these children crossing across the Danube River in his scrapbook. And the next question, how do the children from the Malabar coast and Kashmir help their family earn a livelihood? Its answer is available in page number 41, third paragraph. Whenever you go in India, you will find children helping out with the family's source of livelihood, whether it be drying fish on the Malabar coast. So the children of Malabar coast are helping their parents to dry the fish, or gathering saffron buds in Kashmir, and the children of Kashmir are helping their parents to gather the saffron buds. This is the answer for the last question. And dear students, after this sentence it is written about the children of Rajasthan or Gujarat also, and you have to study that one also, but you don't need to write that one, but you may write about the Malabar coast and Kashmir. With that, we have completed the reference to context also. Dear students, you have to write all these question answers in your copy and you have to learn it. The next exercise is to choose the correct words to complete the sentence. It's a filling the blanks. You have to fill these blanks with the correct option, correct spelling. You are requested to use a dictionary to find its answer. Let us discuss one or two questions from this exercise. The first one, this dress is a little loose for me, and here LOSE or LWSE. Here the correct option is LWSE, loose. And the next question is, I ran into Hema's dash brother at the mall. Is it older or elder? Here elder is the correct option. Likewise, please kindly get the help of your dictionary and fill these blanks. So for your today's homeworks, you have the reference to context as well as exercise number A from page number 43. Have a nice day. God bless you.